Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be showing you how to style your jumbo box braids. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for my old subscribers, go and big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. So style number one is pretty straightforward. All I'm going to do is pull the braids up and use a headband to secure it. Now this style is all purpose, so if you're going to work, you're going to run some errands, you can just bust a little one up and go about your business. Get me? Now we're on to style number two. Now we're going to do the high top bun, and all I did was I used the ponytail that I use in style one and wrap it around. I'm not using any rubber band and I'm not using any bobby pins. All I'm going to do is grip it and wrap it around. Like style number one, this style is also all purpose, so you can rock it anywhere at all. Okay, so welcome to style number three. In this style, it's very straightforward. It's off, up, off, down, but we're going to bust two cute bun hairstyle up at the top there. So we as girls, we love cute and fandangles, so we have to bust a little cute. So what you mean? Yes, style number four. Of course, me can't bust no style with my braids them, and I go back to the good old days. Of course, welcome Bantu knots, up and down, off, up, off, down. Yes, we have to put the Bantu knots. Style number five is pretty straightforward. All we're going to do is take one braid from one side, wrap it all the way around, and create a headband. Okay, so we're at style number 6. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use the upper portion of the braids, wrap it around just the way I'm doing, create a tie or a knot. Then we're going to drop it on whichever side we want to pull it, whether it's the right side or the left side, to the back, whatever we want to do with it. Now we're on to style number 7. This style is more of a statement piece. I wouldn't refer to this style as an all-purpose style. No. So if you're a fashionista, you're going to find this style pretty interesting. It's pretty straightforward. All you got to do is pay close attention, guys. Pay close attention. Okay, so it's style number 8. Yes, we're winding down. We're almost through, guys. We're almost through. No, this is a headband. Now, if you're the type who like to tie up your head, we will grow the granny, we like to tie up your ear because we don't want it to pull up. Alright, so we'll braid or create some form of head tie now. You understand? Yes, so all we're going to do is pull it up as you see me doing. Then you're going to create 3 knots at the front, and then you pull it at the back and tuck. Okay guys, we're at style number 9. As you can see, I didn't do a tutorial. I'm so sorry. All I did was push back the hair. It's related to style number 8. So all I did was push back the hair so the crisscross or the style at the front can be shown. Woo! So we're at style number 10. Okay, so for all my ladies out there who like the little Empress feeling, that little Empress look there, this style is for you. I call this the Empress Loop because I have one of them look modest, one of them look classy, one of them look it just have a little dreadlocks vibe to it. I like it, I like it. So we're not just represent for the braiders, we're also representing for the persons who are dreadlocks. So if you're a braider, you can rock this. If you're a dreadlocks, you can rock this. This style is just too cute. As you can see, style number 11 is related to style number 10. All I did was I lift the loop and flip it at the back to create a form of knot. Yay! Woo! Finally, we're at style number 12. Now this style is a ponytail style, and if you know me, you know my outfit dropping a few ponytail here and there. Now this style is pretty straightforward, as you can see. It's also adjustable, so if you don't want the braid fade too long down in your back, you can actually pull the bun according to the length that you want. So guys, I really love this style. I love all of them, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Now we've come to the end of this video. I do hope that you guys enjoy these styles. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know if 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12, whichever one is your favorite. Let me know down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye!